Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Mercedes company logo in Adobe Illustrator CC 2024. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's make it.
Got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far.